Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to talk about full adder. Here we have a 4-bit full adder. Each of these boxes represent a bit. Okay, that's why we have 4 boxes, that mean 4-bit adder. If we want to have 8-bit adder, we just have to have 8 boxes. Okay, now here we are going to see how the inside of this each box look like. Okay, and here you can see this is a 3-input adder, because we have A1, B1 and we have a carry, like each of them has A, B and a carry. Initially the carry will be 0, and then after that for this one the carry goes to the next one and next one, like this, right? So it goes like this. So since we have 3 input, we can create, like we can find the expression for this one. We have to find out what is the sum and the carry in order to draw the inside of this one. Okay, now since this is 3 input, we are going to have an, bn and cn minus 1. This n minus 1 mean previous, so minus 1 mean 1 is less, so it's previous carry. Okay, so that's what it represents, and from this one we are going to find out what is the sum and the carry. Sum is Sn, let's put Sn, and carry is Cn. Okay, so we are going to find this one. Since this is 3 input, we are going to have 8 different orientations. It start with 0 0 0, 0 0 1, and then 0 1 0, 0 1 1, then 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. Okay, so this is okay, let's rewrite this one again better. Okay, this is 0 0 0, 0 0 1, 0 1 0, 0 1 1, 1 0 0, 1 0 1, 1 1 0, 1 1 1. Okay, so these are the 8 different orientations. Now first we have to sum, like 0 0 0, sum is going to be 0, carry is also 0. 0 0 1, sum, if you add them together, the sum is going to be 1, carry is 0. 0 1 0, sum is 1, carry is 0. 0 1 1, 1 1, if we add them we are going to have 0 and carry is 1, right? So 0 and carry is 1. For this one, this is going to be 1 and the carry is 0. For this one again, 1 0 1, 1 plus 1, that's going to be 0 and a carry. And again this one is 0 and a carry. This one is going to be 1 1 1. For this one we have 1 and a carry 1. Okay, so this is how it's going to look like. Now first we are going to do the k-map for each of this sum and the carry. Now let's go ahead and create the k-map. Okay, since this is a 3 input, we are going to have 8 boxes inside the k-map. Okay, so this is one of them and another one. One is for sum and one is for carry. Okay, now let's go ahead and fill this one up with, here we are going to have A, B, C, A, B, C, A, B, C. Okay, so for the sum, let's say this is sum and this is carry. Okay, now first one, 0 1 1 0 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this is for the first one. Now let's look at the second one. For carry we have 0 0 0 0 1, and then 0 1 0 1 1 1. Okay, for this one we don't have any choice. Let's look at let's put the location to 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, if you look at the first one, we don't have any choice, we just have to choose them individually, right? We cannot combine, because we know that 4 is better than 2, 2 is better than 1. So but we don't have any choice, like we only have one, we can only pick one. For this one we don't have any 4, so the next thing is we have to look at for 2. 2 is possible for this one, right? We can combine like this. Okay, now let's try the expression for this one. For this one, the first one, what is changing? A, B, all of them are not changing, so we have to include everything. For this, since it's the min term, we are going to have, since it's 1, we are going to have A naught, B naught, C. A naught, B naught, C. And for this one, plus A naught, B, C, C naught. A naught, B, C naught. And for this one, this is going to be what? A naught, this is actually 1 here. So A, B, C plus A, B, C. And for this one, A, B naught, C naught. A, B naught, C naught. Okay. Now let's look at the carry. For this one, A, B, C is changing. We cannot include that one. For this one here, A is changing, B is not changing. So this is going to be B, and C is not changing. So B, C. And for this one here, A is not changing. So this is going to be A. B is changing. C is not changing. So this is going to be AC. So that's the expression for sum and the carry. Now let's go ahead and draw the full adder. Now this is for just one full adder. One box, if you take one box, and the inside is going to look like this. That's what I'm going to draw here. Let's go ahead and draw that one. Okay, this is a box. Now let's put A, B, C. Let's say this is A, this is B, this is C. And for this one, we are going to have something like this. Okay. Now, each of them are also going to have NOT gate. NOT gate. And we connect with them, this one like this. Now I'm going to draw, I can get rid of this K map because we don't need this one anymore. We just have to know the expression. Okay, let's get rid of this one. Okay, now here we have to include sum and the carry. Let's put the sum here, let's put the carry here, let's put the sum here. Okay, and we know that this is a actually sum of product, right? Sum of product. So we have to connect every AND gate with an OR gate. So we are going to have an OR gate. Let's go ahead and draw that one here. So each of them going to have OR gate connected with AND gates. Now if you look at this sum, we have 4 AND gates, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to connect 4 AND gates. Okay, for this one we have 3. Since we have 3, we have to put 3. Okay, let's draw this one on top. Okay, now let's go ahead and draw the AND gates. For the first one, we are looking at carry. Carry is this one. For I made a mistake here. This is carry. This is sum, right? Sum has 4, carry has 3. Let's change the letter. Let's change this one. This is carry, this is sum. Okay, carry, sum. Now let's go ahead and continue this one. For carry, oh, I made the same mistake again. This one should be S, this one should be C. S and this one is C. Okay, now let's continue. S has 4, so we connect 4 and gates. What do we have? A naught, B naught, C. So here we are going to have A naught, B naught, C, A naught, B, C naught, and then A, B, C, and then we have A, B naught, C naught, A, B naught, C naught, and for this one A, B, B, C, A, C. Okay, A, B, B, C, A, C. Okay, we just had to wire them with this one. Like we can just connect it, each of this wire with this one, not and this straight wire, right? So I'm going to just leave it as it is because we just have to know the expression, and each of this full ladder is going to look like this. That's why we have drawn this one. Okay, this is sum and this is carry, and this is output, and this one is called full ladder. This whole thing is a full ladder. And that's it for this video. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.